Closing arguments have wrapped up in a murder trial for a man charged with killing his mom. Christopher McCullough could learn today whether the jury finds him guilty of the crime. WRAL's Noah Klein is here now with what both sides are claiming in this case. Noah.
Renee, closing arguments lasted just about 40 minutes or so. The state emphasized McCullough intended to kill both of his parents because his parents wouldn't give him gas money. Meanwhile, the defense said he couldn't form intent on what he did because he was awake for 6 days on Adderall, as well as several other drugs and drinking alcohol. Just yesterday, McCullough took the stand testifying here in his own defense. He said he was so high he didn't know what happened. McCullough wasn't even allowed to be at that home on Ingate Way in August of 2023. That's because his parents had a protective order out against him after they say he beat them both before. Mary McCullough died from blunt force trauma to the head. John survived but was hospitalized for weeks. Here's part of those closing arguments. Let's start with the state, then we'll give you the defense's side.
The defendant murdered his mother. The defendant tried to murder his father. And the defendant murdered Kylan's childhood.
Chris is in that state of mind from smoking all the meth and snorting all the Adderall and drinking for being up for 6 days that he just snapped at this assaulting John. But his intention, he testified, was never to kill Mary.
As for what's next here, the jury now has the case. They've been deliberating for about 30 minutes or so. We'll wait to see if they return a verdict today. They're set to decide on 3 charges here: first-degree murder, attempted murder, and larceny of the dog. WRL's Chelsea Donovan is in the courtroom. She just texted me an update. So they're asking a question about that final charge here, larceny of the family dog. The jury came out, asked a question. We'll wait to see what role that has, if any, in a verdict. iLive updates throughout the day right here on WRL News.